Good afternoon. So yesterday we were seeing which case? Can you just repeat?
Case 5.
Yes.
The case.
Case number 5. What is that case? If the function f of x is of the
E
type
raised
to x into
v, correct, any function of x, where yp we have defined 1 upon phi d into your function, right? And how does it apply? कैसा apply होता?
e raised to x
d by d
Outside?
plus a.
Yes, correct. And d becomes d plus a. It applies on v. Ease roll get over. This is your case number 5. What about homework? You did the homework? Any doubt in that? Should I take it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write on that question. Solve d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 y is equal to x e raised to x plus e raised to x. Correct. So I guess you have found out roots. Tell me the roots, please. 1, 1, 1.
1
You
1
have
1.
completed, right? yc is c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into e raised to 1x. Up to this we have completed. Next we go to yp. 1 upon d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 into x e raised to x plus e raised to x. Okay, so it is either you can just separate with addition or you can take out that e raised to x common. So what is your function? Here it is e raised to x in bracket
X plus
X
1.
x
plus
plus
1.
1. Correct, x plus 1. So this function is of case 5. So e raised to x comes out and it becomes d plus 1 everywhere. Minus 3 into d plus 1 square plus 3 into d plus 1 minus 1 on x plus 1 is roll over. Function remained is only x plus 1. This is what we have to solve. So then next it is we have to write the cube of this a plus b cube. What is cube? What is a plus b cube?
D cube plus
Yes,
1
d cube,
A
a
cube plus
cube
b.
plus 3 a square b, d square into 1 d square plus 3 ab square a d b square 1 d plus b cube. 1 cube is 1. Correct, Eka?
Yes.
Correct. Minus 3 into this square d square plus 2d plus 1 plus 3d plus 3 minus 1 on x plus 1. So can you just see here? Minus 3d square plus 3d square cancel. You can't do that. Just open first. Open first and then we'll do it. So see what will be there, what will be cancelled. So yp is 1 upon e raised to x is out already. 1 upon, can you just tell me, d cube plus 3d square. Tell me the terms, please. d cube plus 3d square plus 3d plus 1 minus 3d square. आगे क्या है?
Minus 6D.
Minus 6d
Minus.
minus 3, isn't it? Yes,
Yeah.
minus 60 minus 3 plus 3d, 3 minus 1, 2 plus 3d plus 2 plus 3d plus 2 on your function. Here it is x plus 1. Correct. So now check 3d square cancel. 3d plus 3d, 6d minus 6d also cancels. And 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 also cancels. So what remained is just 1 upon d cube. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1 upon d cube is what?
Triple integration.
Triple integration. Correct. So what we do here is we let two integrations as it is and we take the first integration of this. What is the first?
X square upon 2.
X square upon 2, correct, plus integration
X.
1 dx, x, right. Then we take one more integration of this term, 1 is out as it is. What is integration?
X cube upon 6.
6, correct, very good, plus
X square upon 2.
very good, nice. So next is lastly, last integration we will apply, that is
Raised to 4.
4 upon
4 into
24.
6, 24, correct, plus
Here
x
Three
cube
X
upon
cube.
3 into 2, 6,
6.
correct. This is your YP, done. So therefore add finally YC and YP for the general solution. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Sure. We should go next now. Write on the question, solve d square minus 4d plus 3y is equal to x square e raised to x bracket square. Okay, first thing is we need d. Tell me d, please. Take it on calculator. Find out d's. These means roots
3,
and
1.
tell me, yes, what are the roots? 3 and 1, isn't it? Yes. So what is YC? Tell me YC, please.
C1 3x
Plus C2 e raised to
x
x. Correct. YC is done. Now YP, 1 upon into right hand side function x square e raised to x bracket square. Which case is this? Fifth case. But is it standard one? No. So what we do next is बोला काय करावं लागेल? स्क्वेअर करून घ्यायचा x square x raised to 4 into e raised to x square. What is that? Come on. What is e raised to x square?
E raised to 2x.
Correct. E raised to 2x. Very good. So now this function is case number 5, e raised to ax into v. So e raised to ax comes out and what happens? D becomes everywhere in the denominator, d becomes
D plus A.
b plus a. A is here 2.
2.
Right. So d plus 2 square minus 4 into d plus 2 plus 3 into what?
V.
V is what here? What is our V in this case?
Raised to 4.
Correct. Correct. Right. So this is done. Its role is over. So we have to solve. Next is this. D square plus 4D plus 4 square minus 4D minus 8 plus 3 on x raised to 4. 4D minus 4D cancel. So what remained is 1 upon 4 plus 3, 7, 7 minus 8, 1, minus 1. So d square minus 1, x raised to 4. As it is a term, not just simple d or d square, it is a term of d. So we have to solve this. Which case is this next?
Polynomial.
Polynomial.
Correct. Very good. So what should we do here?
minus 1.
1.
Yes, nice. So do that. E raised to 2x, therefore yp is e raised to 2x, 1 upon, we're taking minus 1 out. So 1 at the place of minus 1, 1. D square upon minus 1, that is minus of d square. So here it is minus of d square on x raised to 4. Is this right? Just we are taking minus 1 or minus sign out of that. So this minus can go to e raised to 2x. It goes up 1 minus d square with inverse on x raised to 4. Next is what? Expand this by using the formula. Which formula?
1 minus
1 minus x square
Yes.
inverse
What is that? What is that formula?
1 plus x.
plus
1
x
plus x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. We write up to this, right? As we have raised to 4, so we write whatever it is up to 4 and then so on. So our x is d square. We are writing that d square everywhere, d square, yeah. So now open it, 1 plus d square plus this is what? D raised to
4.
4. This is d raised to
6.
6, right? Then d raised to 8 and plus so on, right? And the terms get cancelled here are this one.
D raised to 6 and D raised to 8.
Yes, d raised to 6, d raised to 8. So what remained is 1, this and this, the so on get removed on x raised to 4. So we just now open it, 1 into x raised to 4 plus d square into x raised to 4 plus d raised to 4 into x raised to 4. Yes, so what is the derivative? Yes, we are writing derivatives here, so I'm taking it here, x raised to 4. What is the first derivative?
4x cube.
4x
Yes. Next one?
12x square.
Yes, 12x square. Third?
24x
28x. 24x.
Yes, 24x. And fourth derivative?
24.
24, right. So we are writing here double derivative. So it is 12x square,
12x square.
right. And then we are writing here fourth, which is
24
24, right. Thus, this is your yp. And then you can just collect yc, yp for the general solution. Is the general solution. Any doubt? Please ask. No doubt. So we can go to the next question. Ready? Solve. D square plus 3d plus 2y is equal to e raised to 2x into sin x. Find the roots. Tell me roots, please.
-1, -2.
Yes, d is -1 and -2. So therefore, yc is what is yc?
c1 e raised to minus x plus
Plus
c2 e raised to minus 2x
correct, right? Then yp is 1 upon into right hand side function e raised to 2x into sine x. Okay, so it is equal to which case? See the function, this function is under any of the shortcut cases. You have to check. Case 1 only e, no. Case 2 only sine, no. Then we have one case e raised to ax into v. Yes, is it that case? E raised to ax into any other
Yes, ma'am.
function? Yes.
Case
So
number
this is
5.
the case number 5, correct. So what is that? Case 5. E comes out and whatever is the e's power, that is added to d everywhere. So what will add to d now?
2.
2
D plus-
everywhere, correct. So d plus 2 bracket square plus 3 into d plus 2 plus 2 as it is. We are just changing d's by d plus 2, right? And into what?
Sine
Sine
x.
x.
Correct. Remaining function only, that is sine x. And here is roll get over, e is out, so e raised to 2x. We have to solve this. D square plus 4d plus 4 plus 3d plus 6 plus 2 on sin x. So you can just simplify further. What is the term? D square plus, tell me,
11.
7d, correct, plus
12.
12, right. And now which case is this?
Sine cos.
Yes, second case. What do we want in that?
Replace d square by -1.
Yes, very good. We want d square there. And yes, it is there. So we have to replace the d square by. Find out a, square it, and give negative sign. So we are replacing it by -1. Are you getting, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this the case? Am I writing it correctly or am I wrong? What is a here? 1.
1.
Square
1.
is 1, right? And negative sign. Am I right? So it is over. All d's are only d square.
Only d square.
Correct. So -1 plus only d square is replaced plus 7d plus 12 on sin x. This term is 7d, 12 minus 1, 11. 7d plus 11 is in the denominator. So that is equal to e raised to 2x 1 upon 7d plus 11 on sin x. Just let me check once whether it is correct. Yes. Okay, we have to solve this. And yes, again, it is a sine case and we want
D square.
d square,
D
right?
square.
So what do we do next is?
Rationalization.
Rationalization.
Very good. So what is the term to rationalize?
70
minus
minus 11.
Right, correct. 70 minus 11, 70 minus 11 on sin x. Okay, so it is e raised to 2x, 70 minus 11 upon, what is it? 70 square, that is 49 d
D
square minus 11 square, how much? Yes,
120.
correct, right, into sin x. Now we got d square there, and this d square get replaced by,
-1.
right,
Minus
once
1.
again -1, right. So it is e raised to 2x, 70 minus 11 upon 49 into d square is now -1 minus everything else is as it is, only d square is replaced. What is the term? Can you just solve the term?
Minus 170.
Minus 170, I'll take it here, divide by minus 170. And what remained is this into this, that is 7d sin x minus 11 sin x. Is it minus 170? Have you checked properly? Yes. So it is outside.
Yes.
Yes, it is outside, divide by minus, and these two are in multiplication. So 7d into sin x minus 11 into sin x. That is minus e raised to 2x upon 170 into 7 into what?
Cos x.
Cos x.
Right, derivative of sin x. Correct. Minus 11 sin x as it is, as there is no d or nothing. Yes. So this is your yp. Done. And then you can collect yc and yp for the general solution, is the general solution. So here we have the knowledge of case number 5 as well. All the cases we have seen. It can either be sine, cos, or polynomial or whatever. Are you clear? If you're in doubt, please go ahead and ask. Anything you want to ask, go ahead and ask, please. Okay. Should I go to next then? So, right on the next question. Solved. B square minus 1 y is equal to cos hyperbolic x into cos x. Yes, first we need these. So we are considering that auxiliary equation equal to 0. Find out d.
1 and minus 1.
Plus minus
Perfect.
1.
Correct. 1 and minus 1 plus minus 1. Therefore, yc is
C1 e raised to x plus
very
C2 e
good.
raised to minus x.
Correct. Nice. Correct. So we go to now yp. Yp is 1 upon into function cos hyperbolic x into cos x. Okay. You can now check whether any shortcut case is applicable. Is it? Right now, can you say any of the case is applicable here?
No, ma'am.
No, right? We don't have such case. Then what we can do to convert it into any of the case we know?
Cos hyperbolic
Yes,
hx is equal to
correct. What is that formula?
e raised to x
Correct. E raised to x plus
plus
E
e
raised to
raised to
minus
minus x divided
upon
by 2.
2. हे केल्याने काय मिळणार आहे?
e raised to x as a function.
Yes, e raised to x into cos होईल, e raised to minus x into cos होईल means which case?
Case number 5.
Fifth case, correct. Case number 5. So we will apply the formula to this e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2 into cos x. And what is the formula of sine hyperbolic? If it is sine hyperbolic there,
E raised to x minus e raised to x minus x.
correct. There is just negative sign in between, right? So that this into this into this, both the terms are having upon 2. That upon 2 we can take out as common. Whole 2 is out now. Into this, okay, just write it like this, into cos x. Right? So now open it. 1 upon d square minus 1. This into this, e raised to x cos x. Can I separate now? 1 upon d square minus 1. This into this, e raised to minus x cos x. Can we do this as there is addition in between? Yes, this is e raised to x into cos plus e raised to minus x into cos. This goes with both of them. Now we have to solve this. Can you see this properly? This is case number 5. E raised to x into v, e raised to ax into v. Both the things are case which we have seen just now. So what do we do here is we take
E raised to x.
out, and d will be
D plus 1.
correct. Do that. So therefore, yp is equal to 1 by 2, 1 e raised to x is out here and d is d plus 1. So d plus 1 square minus 1 it is. Yes. And on what remains? Cos x. Very good. Very good. Plus here e raised to minus x is out. Yes. And d is?
D minus 1.
Very good. Yes. And minus 1 as it is on cos x. Is it correct? Whatever I have written is correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is 1 by 2 e raised to x 1 upon, just simplify, d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 1 cos x. Similar, expand or write the formula d square minus 2d plus 1 minus 1 cos x. These two get cancelled. Okay, so this is now we have to solve this, and which is a cos case, means what we want in the denominator.
D square.
Yes, it is there. Right. So that d square is replaced by
Minus.
okay, 1, square it 1, negative side. Correct. Minus 1 in both the cases. So replace that. D square by minus 1. That plus 2d as it is on cos x. Similar here. Minus 1 minus 2d on cos x. That is 1/2 e raised to x. What is next? What do we want next?
D square.
Yes, for that खाली
Rational.
तरफ yes d term आली है, so we have to rationalize. We can just change the middle sign, minus 1 minus 2d and multiply and divide on cos x. Similarly here also we want d square, so we can just change the middle sign and multiply divide on cos x. So it is 1/2 e raised to x minus 1 minus 2d minus 1 minus 1 a plus b, a minus b, a square minus 1 square. What is that?
1.
1 minus b square, 2d square, 4d square. Correct, on cos x. Plus here it is e raised to minus x minus 1 plus 2d upon, what is that? Minus 1 square is 1 again, plus minus minus 2d square, that is 4d square on cos x. There is d square now. So the d square is replaced by, in this case,
minus 1.
yes, and in this case also minus 1. Write that. Okay, therefore yp is equal to 1 by 2 as it is there into 1 बघा बरं काय येते minus 1 minus 2d upon 1 minus 4d square. 1 minus 4d square is minus 1 into cos x. Correct लिहिते का बघा, plus e raised to minus x. इथे e raised to x राहिला का?
Yes, ma'am.
इथे e raised to minus x into, हा सांगा बरं मला इथे टर्म 2d minus 1 plus 2d upon 1 minus 4 into minus 1. 1 minus 4 into minus 1 into cos x. Correct है का?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So it is equal to 1 by 2. बरोबर लिहिले ना? चेक करा एकदा. लास्ट स्टेप आणि ही स्टेप काहीतरी डिफरन्स नाही आहे ना? चेक करून घ्या. Okay, so it is e raised to x. How much is the denominator? 1 plus 4, that is 5. and this into this, that is minus 1 into cos x minus 2d into cos x. Similar here, what is the term? E raised to minus x upon
5.
5, correct. And this into this, minus 1 into cos x plus 2d cos x. Right, so it is 1 by 2 e raised to x by 5 minus cos x minus 2 into derivative of cos x. What is that?
Minus sin x.
Minus of sin x. So here it is 1 minus, so that minus becomes plus. E raised to minus x by 5 minus cos x. What is the term next?
Minus 2 sin x.
Correct. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus 2 sin x. Right. Yes, you can stop here, or if you can simplify, do that. If not, please stop. You can just take out the 5. So it is e raised 1 by 10 e raised to x into minus cos x plus 2 sin x. 5 is out, so plus e raised to minus x minus cos x minus 2 sin x. Then yp. Just check whether there is any d left. No, then yes, it is over. So then just collect yc and yp for the general solution. You just write the answers here. Any doubt? Please ask. No doubt. Should I go to next question? Write on the question. Solve. T square minus 4d plus 3y is equal to e raised to x into cos 2x plus cos 3x. Find out roots.
3 and 1.
3, 1.
Okay, 3 and 1, correct. So yc, c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 3x. Okay, solve yp. Start solving yp. Yes, written definition 1 upon d square minus 4d plus 3 on to your right hand side function e raised to x cos 2x plus cos 3x. How will you separate this? There is addition in between. So can we just separate this two?
Yes.
Yes. So separate like this e raised to x cos 2x plus 1 upon on cos 3x. Right. Now these two are which cases? First one is?
Fifth case.
Yes.
Case 5.
Correct. Case 5. And the second one?
Second case.
Yes. Correct.
Second.
Right. So for the second case, we need, is it there? What do we need? Is there?
D square.
Yes, d square we need, and yes, it is there. So we can apply here, and this is case 5. So we apply case 5. What is case 5? Can I ask you individually to someone?
Yes, ma'am.
Randomly, okay? Please unmute yourself if I'll take your name. Just don't leave now, huh? Please don't leave. नाही आलं तरी चालेल, फक्त मी बघते तुम्ही आहात का इथे. युवराज, युवराज
येस मॅडम.
आहा, हा, गुड गुड. आन्सर सांगू शकत असाल तर सांगा, नाहीतर नसलं सांगायचं तर सांगू नका. केस 5 सांगू शकाल मला? या केस मध्ये काय करणार आहोत आपण, एवढं सांगाल फक्त? ही केस 5 आहे.
येस मॅडम.
बर, काय अप्लाय करणार सांगाल? कसं करणार याला सॉल्व? बर, आता प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे माहितीये की मी तुम्हाला बघायला नाहीये तुम्ही काय करताय. तुम्ही तुमचं स्वतःच रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीनी करा, केलं तर छान राहील. आता आणखी काय सांगू मी? काहीच नाही सांगत. तुम्ही तेवढे शहाणे आहेत, समजदार आहेत, बघा तुम्हाला करायचंय की नाही करायचं. अजून एक जणाचं नाव घेऊ. ऋतुराज, अरे ते ऋतुराज.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you apply here case 5 in this case?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. That is the problem. आता उद्या काय होणार आहे की तुम्ही फुल अटेंड करत होता, तुमची अटेंडन्स दिसते 100% आणि मग तुम्ही फेल जर झालात, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, नॉट ओनली जस्ट ऋतुराज, बाकी सर्वांबद्दल बोलतेय मी, तर मग हा ब्लेम कुणावर आहे? मॅडम सर्व प्रेझेंट होते, मग का पास नाही होते ती मुलं? होणार ना. स्वतःची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घ्या. मी घेतीये ना, मग तुमच्या बाजूने तुम्ही पण घ्या. आहेत मुलं, खूप मुलं आहेत जी M3 मुळे वायडी आहेत, लक्षात ठेवा. जेवढं तुम्हाला आता ते कूल वाटतं ना, तेवढा कूल प्रकार नाहीये हा. बी अवेअर. Okay, you were suffering from dengue. So is there anyone who can tell me the answer? Genuinely, okay?
It is
No
out.
force. Is there anyone from boys? Girls, please wait. Girls, please wait. From boys, is there anyone?
इरेज टू एक्स बाहेर
Yes,
काढायला.
Aniket is. Aniket,
Erase take.
please wait. Sohail, you also wait. And beside these two boys, Aniket and Sohail, is there anyone else? आहे का कोणी जो मला आन्सर सांगेल आता?
इरेज टू एक्स बाहेर काढायचं.
करेक्ट. आणि काय करायचं डीचं?
D+1 करायचं, कारण एक्स ची टर्म 1.
करेक्ट, व्हेरी गुड. प्लीज लक्ष ठेवा, मला जास्त नाही बोलायचे. तुम्हाला माहिती M3 आहे, ऐकलंही असेल, नसेल ऐकलं तर एकदा तुम्ही कोणीतरी सिनियर असतील त्यांच्याशी बोलून घ्याल. किती मुलं आपली M3 मुळे राहतात. आपली नाही राहत ते वेगळी गोष्ट आहे, आपण राहू नाही देणार, पण राहतात. बाहेरचे कुणीतरी भेटत असेल तर बघा, विचारा त्याला. एवढं त्याला लाईटली घेऊ नका. ठेवणार नाहीयेत, पण काढायचं तर आहे ना. एवढं लाईट घेऊन कसं चालेल? आणि मी हे रेकॉर्डर बोलतेय, त्यामुळे तुम्ही समजून घ्या की याची इम्पॉर्टन्स काय आहे. प्लीज. चलो. So yes, it is case 5. E is out, right? And then D is D+1 everywhere, right? आणि जर इनिशियली जर समजलं नाही, युनिट संपत आलंय, फक्त 2 ते 3 लेक्चरचा युनिट राहिलाय, एवढंच आहे. ह्या केसेस आहेत आणि मग फक्त पुढे एक केस राहिलीये, शॉर्टकट मेथड राहिली. शॉर्टकट मेथड झाली, मग जनरल मेथडचा एक फॉर्म्युला आणि ऍप्लिकेशन, संपलं युनिट. याच्या बाहेर काही करायचंच नाही आपल्याला. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे एवढं तुम्हाला नीट लक्ष देऊन केलं तरी बरं होईल. चला पुढे. ही केस वापरली. आता इथे कुठली केस सांगितली तुम्ही?
सेकंड केस.
सेकंड केस. ज्याला काय
second.
हवं? करेक्ट
D
आहे तिथे. तो D² कशाने रिप्लेस होईल? बर, वेट. फाइंड आउट ए.
-1.
येस, ए काय इकडे?
3
3 आहे. त्याचं काय करायचं आधी?
-9
स्क्वेअर. करेक्ट. आणि मग काय करायचं?
Minus.
निगेटिव्ह साइन. करेक्ट. आणि हे कुठे ठेवायचंय?
D
D ला ठेवायचं का?
स्क्वेअर
नाही
D
ठेवायचं,
square.
ओनली डी स्क्वेअर. येस, इथे ठेवला हा मायनस नाही, बाकीचं ऍज इट इज सगळं फक्त डी स्क्वेअर ला रिप्लेस करा. आता हे थोडं एक्सपांड करूयात आपण. 1 अपॉन डी स्क्वेअर प्लस 2d प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर केला, मायनस 4d मायनस 4 प्लस 3 ऑन cos 2x प्लस 1 upon, here it is minus 4d, minus 9 plus 3, minus 6 cos 3x. बर, इथे काय राहते, पुढे घ्या ते d स्क्वेअर मायनस 2d, 3 प्लस 1 4 मायनस 4 कॅन्सल, सो काय राहिलं फक्त d स्क्वेअर मायनस 2d. yp is e raised to x 1 upon d स्क्वेअर असंच ना, on cos 2x. येस, पुढे काय सांगा मला जरा. 1 upon 4d minus 6 plus 1 upon minus 4d minus 6 cos x आहे ना इकडे, cos 3x. येस, cos. मग इथे काय
मॅडम
करायचं,
मायनस 2d प्लस 8 राहते ना.
एक मिनिट हा, प्लस 8 राहते. नाही ना, इथे मायनस 4 आहे, हा प्लस 4 नाहीये, हा मायनस साईन याला पण जाईल ना, मायनस 4d मायनस 4 होईल तो.
हा मॅम बरोबर.
सो मायनस 4 प्लस 4 कॅन्सल. ओके, इथे रॅशनलायझेशन करायचंय, सो मायनस 4d प्लस 6 वरती पण मायनस 4d प्लस 6. राईट, सो इट इज e raised to x. आणि आता ही कुठली केस आहे,
सेकंड
सेकंड, म्हणजे डी स्क्वेअर इथे रिप्लेस होईल बाय
-4
करेक्ट मायनस 4. सो इट इज मायनस 4 मायनस 2d. पुन्हा एकदा डी चे येईल, कॉस्टची केस आहे, रॅशनलाइज करावं लागेल. करू का इकडे,
यस
मायनस 4 प्लस 2d मायनस 4 प्लस 2d ऑन cos 2x. हे सिम्प्लिफाय करून टाकू, मायनस 4d प्लस 6 अपॉन व्हॉट इज द टर्म,
16d स्क्वेअर
येस
36
16d square minus 36 on cos 3x, right? And here d square will replaced by,
-9
correct, minus 9. हे थोडं simplify करा, minus 4 plus 2d upon, what is that?
16 - 4d square.
Yes, a square 16 minus b square, that is 2d square, that is 4d square on cos 2x. Plus, here it is minus 4d plus 6 upon, here d square is replaced by minus 9. 16 into minus 9 minus 36 cos 3x. Yes, and here d square is replaced by,
-4
yes, do that, minus 4. Very good, beta. So minus 4 plus 2d upon 16 minus 4 into minus 4 cos 2x. Plus, how much is this?
minus
180
Minus 180.
Minus 180.
Yes, correct. And this into this into this. So minus 4d cos 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Right. And how much is this now?
32
32, correct. That comes out e raised to x upon 32 minus 4 into cos 2x plus 2d into cos 2x. Right. So that plus minus absorb, it is minus 1 upon 180 minus 4 into derivative of cos. What is derivative of cos?
minus sin 3x upon
Minus sin 3x.
Minus of sin 3x
upon 3
into 3.
into
In derivative, it is multiplied. Yes. Plus 6 cos 3x as it is. Okay, now here we have to take the derivative. E raised to x. दिसतंय का इकडचं? नाही ना? बट पुढे घ्यायला अवघड आहे, लक्ष द्या. Minus 4 cos 2x plus 2 into what is derivative of cos 2x? minus sine 2x into
2.
right. Yes. And this is as it is minus 1 upon 180. This minus minus plus 12 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Okay, just open and solve. If you open this, or just 4 is out from both the terms, it is 8. So e raised to x by 8 into minus sign you can also take out. So minus with minus sign it is out. What remained then? 4 is out, minus is out, cos 2x plus sine 2x. And on that side, okay, so write it as it is if you want. Minus 1 by 180, let it be. Minus 1 by 180, 12, सांगा बरं मला काय ते?
Sin 3x plus
12
6
sine 3x plus 6
cos 3x.
cos 3x. Correct. Done. This is your answer. Then finally, you just collect yc and yp for the general solution. Okay, we solve this next. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2y is 2 e raised to x into cos x by 2. Chalo, find out roots.
2 and 1.
Yes. So therefore yc is c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. Okay, this example is done most of the time. So roots are, we know 1 and 2. So write that. Okay, therefore we go to now yp 1 upon 2 e raised to x cos x by 2. Which case? Fifth case, correct. Fifth case, e into any other function. As 2 is constant, we can already take it out. Then e into v, e is also out. And what will be d? By case 5, what will be d's?
1 d plus 1.
D plus 1, correct. So d plus 1 square minus 3d plus 1 plus 2 on what?
Cos x by 2.
Cos x by 2.
Cos x by 2, right. So just simplify it. 2 e raised to x, can you tell me if you have? Yp is 2 e raised to x into 1 upon d
Square plus
plus 2d plus 1 minus 3
3d
3d
minus
3 plus 2. Correct? Now? Into cos x by 2. Right. Okay, that is 2 e raised to x 1 upon d square 2d minus 3d minus d 1 plus 2 3 minus 3 cancelled cos x by 2. Right. Whether correct? You are getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here, which case is this?
second.
Is it second case? Everyone
Yes,
is
ma'am.
agreeing? Everyone is agreeing on this? Is it second case?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Angle is little bit different, but yes, it is cos or sine case. For that, we need d square in the denominator. Does it have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
has d square. So that d square will be replaced by what? What is it?
Minus 1 by 4.
Minus 1 by
Correct. Very good. Very good. A is 1 by 2. Square of it first, 1 by 4, and then negatives. Perfect. So it is 2 e raised to x. 1 upon d square is minus 1 by 4 minus d on cos x by 2. And then we need, you can directly rationalize or we can make it a term and then we can rationalize. ऐसा करता है? Okay, rationalize directly. Minus 1 by 4 minus d, minus 1 by 4 plus d, minus 1 by 4 plus d on cos x by 2. Right. So 2 e raised to x minus 1 by 4 plus d upon minus 1 by 4 square. What is that?
1 by 16.
Correct. Minus d square on cos x by 2. Once again, there is d square and that d square will be replaced by minus of 1 by 4. Do that. So it is 2 e raised to x into minus 1 by 4 plus d. Upon काय सांगतं मला 1 by 16 minus
d
1
square.
by 4 असंच ना?
Yeah.
d square is minus 1 by 4, correct, into cos x by 2. हे किती येते टर्म बघा? 1 by 16 plus 1 by 4, 2 e raised to x. ही टर्म इथे लिहिते जे येईल ती into minus 1 by 4 into cos x by 2 plus d into cos x by 2. काय आली टर्म? 1 by
1 by 4.
1 by 16 plus 1 by 4
5 by
करायचं.
16.
5 by 16.
5 by 16.
4 करूयात, yes, 4 करूयात. 4, 5 by 16, yes. So 1 upon 5 by 16, correct na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is, just a minute. Yes. So a upon b upon c, that 16 will go up 2 e raised to x into 16 by 5. Correct, Eka?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am.
Into minus 1 by 4 cos x by 2 as it is. And then derivative of cos. What is derivative of cos? Minus sign. Minus sin x by 2 into derivative of that x by 2. What is
1
that?
by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Correct. Done. If you want to simplify further, okay, go ahead. By 5 minus 1 by 4. If you want to open the term, you can. Yes, this is your yp. Therefore, you can add finally yc and yp for the general solution. Are you doing homeworks regularly?
Yes, ma'am.
Because no one is
Yes, ma'am.
asking me
Yes, ma'am.
for, good. Chalo, homework do?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down homework on this case. Solve. D square minus 1y is equal to e raised to x cos x. Second, solve. D square minus 4 झालेलं आहे ते. minus 2d plus 4y is equal to e raised to x into cos square x. Third, d square plus 1y is equal to sin x, sin hyperbolic x. And last, more. D square plus 2y is e raised to x cos x plus x square e raised to 3x. This is fifth. We can apply sin hyperbolic formula and convert it into fifth. And this two are getting separated as there is addition. This one is fifth and yes, this one is also fifth, separate but. Okay, done. Put your attendance in chat box. And you can leave. Thank you. Put your attendance and you can leave the session. Thank you. Bye.